Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so another bloody day. Let's go to the daily. We got Bitcoin here on Bybit. Excuse me. Yeah, so I don't know why okay, there it is. Your momentum seems to be picking up. Your negative momentum. As you can see, we're going deeper into the bearish control zone. We're actually entering oversold now. Looks like we could have some bullish divergence on the RSI and on the MACD as long as this is a confirmed low. Your MACD negative momentum is increasing still, so this downwards move could have some more to it. Your MACD did get a retest and resumption down, pretty sharp downside curvature. Your vols in the upper zone, your BBWP is still expanding here. So this move might not be over, but I would expect some sort of a bounce right here at the bottom of this purple box at about 32K. That would be a strong level of support at 32. Possibly get a bounce back up here to maybe 35, possibly even just 34, the top of this purple box. Looks like we could be coming down to 32 on stream or on film. So let's go down to the 8-hour. So here on the 8-hour, I mean, you got a lot of red candles here. It really hasn't let up for a while. We really haven't got a bounce ever since we dropped below this level of support. And then when we drop below this level, I mean, it's been nothing but red. You know, these were our major levels right here. This right here is what confirmed what I feel is the bear market. I mean, you could say it's been in a bear market all the way since 69, but I'm saying like this was confirmation. I mean, 100%. I mean, look at this. You've basically been in this upwards channel, you know, for a while. I mean, your highs and your lows both connected. Well, now you've broken down out of everything. So I am eyeing high 20s is what I'm eyeing right now. As you can see, I have an alert and a green zone right there, so you can kind of guess what I'd be doing. On your 8-hour, you are in the oversold region. To get back above that signal line, we need to get above 33,370. So about $1,000 above where we're at right now. Your MACD, as long as you're below 34,254, you're going to keep falling. Let's see here. Let's check out the MACD actually. Okay, so sharp downside curvature, your negative momentum still increasing. So as for like the daily and the 8-hour, your vol still in the upper zone. Your BBWP is still in the upper zone. I mean, your vol seems to be contracting a little bit, so we could get a break. You know, a little break of the downside. Maybe a bounce. Like I was saying, you know, you could possibly get a bounce today, tomorrow, something like that. I would expect some sort of a bounce soon. I mean, we've just had there's a lot of shorts right now. So I could see them getting liquidated real quick. Possibly over the weekend. Well, no, it's Monday. Never mind. Weekend's over. So let's see if we have a gap anywhere. Okay, so you do have a gap. Up at about 35, 275 is where it stops. So you could get a bounce somewhere up in here, which would be a significant bounce. That's not saying that it's going to happen right now. These gaps don't have to get filled, and they can be filled much later in time. So, I mean, it could be a while before that gets filled. I mean, I think we're going to keep trending down is basically what I'm saying. Let's go to the 4-hour. So oversold in the RSI. I mean, like I said, your negative momentum has really picked up on all time frames. Your trend is definitely down. You got all your moving averages fanned out to the downside. MACD, negative momentum, once again, increasing below your signal line. Sharp curvature down. Let's see if we have any support coming up. Okay, so we do have some support where we're at right now. Once again, that kind of goes into the whole bounce idea. Your vol is high, your BBWP's in the upper zone, almost touching the red line right now. So basically, well, let's go to the 1 hour real quick. Basically, what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to come down to this 32 level and then get a bounce. That's where the high probabilities are at right now. Where that bounce ends up, that gap is basically up here at this line. So you could get a bounce up here to the bottom of that support turn resistance. Now this bottom could get front ran at 32. We could get the bounce from right here. But if we do go down to 32, I would expect some sort of a bounce from that region. We need to get back above 32,590 in order to cross the signal line to the upside. We're deep in the bearish control zone right now. MACD, pretty fresh retest and resumption down. Negative momentum is increasing on the 1 hour. So this downside move might not be over yet. Your vol is high. BBWP is all the way up top in the upper zone. So long story short, oh, by the way, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out all our links in the Discord, and or check out all our links in the description below, including the Discord link. So yeah, long story short, I think we're coming down to the bottom of this box at 32 and then getting a bounce. So yeah, those are my thoughts for Bitcoin. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.